Want to know the secret to manifesting your dreams almost instantly? Stay tuned to discover a powerful technique that works so fast, it's almost scary. And start your transformation immediately by applying proven, effective techniques to shift your reality. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating law of assumption and sharing an incredible story about how this powerful technique worked incredibly fast for someone just like you. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our life-changing content. And remember to check the special link in the description below to start your transformation journey immediately. Don't wait, take action now. The law of assumption is like planting a seed in your mind. Whatever you believe and feel deeply is true will grow and become your reality. This concept, popularized by Neville Goddard, is incredibly powerful. Imagine achieving your dreams by simply assuming they are already true. Intrigued? Let's explore how it works. Today we have a remarkable story from Danielle, who experienced firsthand how fast the law of assumption can work. Danielle started with a simple exercise. She wanted to manifest $50 to buy her favorite food and makeup. Instead of desperately wanting it, she used a unique approach. She used the I will not technique. It's about stating what you don't want in a calm and detached way. For example, she said, I will not manifest $50. This approach tricks your subconscious mind into focusing on the positive outcome. Every night before bed, Danielle visualized herself having the $50 she desired, and repeated affirmations like, I will not manifest $50, to trick her mind into believing it was already hers. This method helped her bypass her conscious doubts and directly influence her subconscious mind, making her belief stronger. To her amazement, within just one day, she received an unexpected PayPal notification, $50 from a friend she hadn't spoken to in months, out of the blue. It was a moment of pure joy and validation, proving the power of her mind. She's tried this technique several times since, each time with a different goal in mind, and it consistently brings results, reinforcing her belief in the process. So, how can you harness this power? Here are some tips. Imagine and feel the reality of your desire as if it has already happened. State your desire in a calm, detached way to bypass resistance. Stay optimistic and avoid negative thoughts that contradict your desires. Practice these techniques daily and remain patient. Remember, the law of assumption is about believing and feeling that your desires are already yours. By doing this, you align yourself with the reality you want to create. Thank you so much for watching. If you're ready to transform your life with powerful techniques like the law of assumption, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend who needs a boost, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Don't miss out on the special link in the description. Click it now to start your transformation immediately. Start assuming your dreams into reality today and take the first step towards a better future. Be mumkin hanisi.